Now students, exercise 3.2. Question number 2, first part. Question number 2, first part. Find the measure of each exterior angles. Students, you have to find out the measure of each exterior angles of a regular polygon of side 9 sides and 15 sides. Students, how can you find out the measure of each exterior angle? Measure of each exterior angle of n-sided polygon.
So sum of all of the that 360 by number of sides.
Very good friend. 360 divided by n. 360 divided by n. Student, measure of each exterior angles. Each exterior angle of n-sided polygon. Of n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon. What is the formula? 360 divided by n. What is n? In first part, n is
9
9. N is 9. Number of sides. Number of sides. N is 9. 9 given. Number of sides 9 is given. Now students, 360 divided by 9. It means 40 degree. Each exterior angle is of 40 degree. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, student. Note down it. Note down it. Student, question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree? Measure of exterior angle is a 24 degree. Students, how many sides? Number of sides we have to find out. Number of sides we have to find out, and exterior angle is 24 degrees given. How many sides? Question number 3. Student, as you know that measure of each exterior angles of n-sided polygons. Measure of each exterior angles of n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon. N-sided polygon. That is 360 by n. N is number of sides. Number of sides. Now students, yes student, how can you find out number of sides? Number of sides. Number of sides is equal to number of sides. Number of sides of n-sided polygons. Of n-sided polygon. (360) divided by each exterior angles. Each exterior angles. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Student, listen to me. Listen to me. If you have to find out measure of each external angle of n-sided polygon, your formula will be 360 by n. If you have to find out the number of sides, your angle will replace with each exterior angles. If you have to find out number of sides of n-sided polygon, the formula becomes 360 divided by each exterior angle. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, students. Number of sides. Number of sides. That is 360 divided by 360 divided by each. Your exterior angle is 24. 24. Now students, 6 4s are 24, 6 6s are 30, that is 64 to 50. Number of sides becomes 15. Number of sides becomes 15. Number of sides becomes 15.
Okay, sir.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Interior angle is 165 is given. Now student, question number 4. Have you done it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay, students. Now student, question number 4. Question number 4 is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165?
165.
Yes, student. Each of its interior angle is 165. Student, each interior angle of n-sided polygon. Student, what is the formula? Each interior angle
361.
Student, listen. Interior angles. Student, what?
N minus 2 into 1.
N minus 2 into 180 degree
minus 2 into 180.
divided by number of sides. Divide by number of sides. Students, each interior angle is 165. 165. Student, each interior angle 165. It becomes number of sides becomes that is 165 and is equal to 180 into n. Om Singh, please tell me that 180 into n. One 80 into n. Om Singh. Yes, Sumit Singh.
Yes, sir. 180 into n is 180 n.
180 n. 180 n. 180 n minus 180 into 2.
360.
360. 360. 360. Now student, we have to find out the value of n. Minus 360. We will transfer minus 360 from right hand side to left hand side. So minus sign change into. Student, minus sign plus sign. Yes, student, plus sign. That is 360 degree. Now 180 minus n. Student, you have already studied chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. Here variable is n. Here variable is n. You have to find out the value of n. Now 165 minus n.
So 180 to the left hand side.
Yes, students. Now 180 minus 165. Student, we will always subtract coefficient of 180 n is 180. Coefficient of 165 n is 165. 180 minus 165. 15 n. Now student, what is the value of n?
360.
Sir, n is equal to 50 divided by 15.
15 to the
Then 24.
24.
15 to the 30.
n is equal to 24. n is equal to 24. Student, number of side is 24. Number of side is 24. Now, how many side does a regular polygon have if each of interior angle is 165? Student, in this question, number of side is required number of sides 24. It is your final answer. Required number of sides. Required number of sides of any sided polygon, that is 24. Naveen Kumar Yadav, am I audible to you? Naveen, your voice is not coming. Prabhakaran, am I audible to you? Prabhakaran, am I audible to you? Isa Singh,
Yes, sir.
am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Student, please tell me that how can you find number of interior angles of n-sided polygons? Number of interior angle of n-sided polygons. Please tell. Interior angles, exterior angles not. I am asking you.
Sir, may I?
I am asking you that sum of interior angle of n-sided polygons.
So here
Isa Singh,
yes, sir.
please tell me.
Sir, sum of interior angles is more than 360 degrees.
I am just asking the formula.
Sir, may I?
Varsa Yadav.
Sir, may I?
Varsa Yadav. Sum of interior angle of n-sided polygons. Sum of interior angle of n-sided polygons.
Into
Very good, student. Very good. N minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. It is the formula of n-sided polygons. N-sided number of interior angles of n-sided polygons. Number of interior angle of n-sided polygons. Student, if you have to find out each interior angles of n-sided polygons, then what is the formula? Each interior angle of n-sided polygons. Sumit Singh,
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
each interior angle of n-sided polygon.
Submit.
Each interior angles of n-sided polygon.
Sir, 360 upon H.
Student, exterior angle होता है वो 360 by n.
N minus
I'm just
into 180 degree
Student.
divided by the number of sides.
student
1 minus 2 into 180 degree होता है।
स्टूडेंट लिसन टू मी। अगर आपको इंटीरियर एंगल निकालना है, एक इंटीरियर एंगल्स, ईच इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ एन साइडेड पॉलीगन, योर फार्मूला विल बी स्टूडेंट, हैव यू डन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Each students sum of interior angles of n-sided polygon that is n minus 2 into 180 degree.
N minus 2
Into 180 degree.
divided by number of sides.
Each interior angle
N minus 2
of
divided
n-sided polygon that is n minus 2 into 180 divided by number of sides. Write it out. Second is sum of all exterior angles of n-sided polygon. That is 360 degree.
360.
Each exterior angles angle of n-sided polygon that is 360 by n. Each exterior angle 360 by n. Each interior angle n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. Student, please note down these formulas. Note down these formulas.
Okay, sir.
Note down these formulas.
Sir.
Number of diagonals of n-sided polygon.
N multiply N minus 3 multiply divided by
n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Note down these formulas. I will ask this formula tomorrow. Please learn this formula again and again.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, students. Now, question number 5 is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? Student, number of sides will be, if your exterior angle is 22 degree, then number of sides will be, please tell me, what is the formula? Question number 5th, first part.
That means 60 divided by
The 360 divided by 22.
Yes, measurement of each exterior angle. The number of sides. Number of sides. Number of sides. Number of sides of n-sided polygon. Of n-sided polygon. (360) divided by each exterior angle. Each exterior angle. Now, student, please tell me that number of sides. Number of sides of n-sided polygon. N-sided polygon. (360) divided by each exterior angle is 22 degree. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 180. Now, student, number of side becomes
180 divided by the
number of side, that is 180 divided by 11. 11 1s are 11. 11 6 are 66 4. 11 4 by 16 4 by 11. Number of side, it is not possible. Number of side cannot be in fraction. Number of side cannot be in fraction. No, it is not possible. स्टूडेंट, नंबर ऑफ साइड क्या है, फ्रैक्शन में पॉसिबल नहीं है. या तो आपके पास 16 आए या 17 एज ए नेचुरल नंबर, 16 17 15 13. यहाँ पे 16 4 by 11 इज ए fractional number. That is not possible. No, is it not possible? Is it no, it is not possible. No, is it not possible?
Sir, time over.
To have an exterior angle is of 22 degree. It possible ही नहीं. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, student.